Alright folks, I'm out here at the Muerto Bar and Grill. I took a little ride out here. I'm gonna meet up with one of my compadres. Gotta do my lights for the 240SX custom headlights. But I thought it was gonna be a little get together, but this is huge. We out here at our Muerto Bar and Grill off of Mountainwood. Look them up on Instagram. Hey, thanks for following, guys. But hey, check the merch. Check out the merch. Come on and cop them. 20 bucks. But anyway, let me go find Jesus and we do what we gotta do. I'll look around a little bit, show y'all a little bit what we got out here, and head on back to the house. So I was trying to make this a short video. Hopefully it still is, but I just got the lights from Jesus. And as you can see, that's what they look like. They all got halos, but that one's actually red. So got them both done up. Get them back to the house. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of what's going on out here. There it is. Didn't really feel like recording too much. There's a lot of cars out here, like a good 200, maybe more, and people are still pulling up. I'm tired. I need to go home, get some sleep. But picked up a 915 cars lanyard. Showed them guys some love, and met some new people. There's like probably 10, 12 different clubs out here. But hey, showed you guys a little something. That's all you get. Keeping the video short. I really came to pick up my lights. That's what I came in for. And got some other stuff to show you when I get back to the house. And this will be my next upload. So, hey, 915 cars. It's a good show. It's not a show, but great meat. Great meat you put on here. And, you know, Muerto Bar and Grill, you know, allowed us to use the parking lot. Allowed them to use the parking lot, so that's all we got. But anyway, let me get up out of here and go on to the house. Alright, so no action in this video. I went to go pick up my lights after dropping off after being picked up a month ago, and you know, I'm gonna try and hook them up this weekend. Mess with that wiring. Hook them up and hook the battery up so they look like, so I can show you guys. But maybe, not a promise. But anyway, so I got the lights, and I wanted to show you guys this. Had these done for my door panels. So now you can already guess what the interior colors are gonna be. It's gonna be this with black. Alright, so not too much excitement. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I am at 1,000 subscribers. Well, 1,100. Thank you so much for those of you who subscribe. Now what I need you guys to do is go ahead and order a shirt or a cap or both. We got the heads done. Me and Josh are gonna tackle that. this coming week. Hopefully switch everything over to the new block, get it installed hopefully by not this weekend, the following weekend. Get that done, get it started. Fingers crossed, make sure everything's good. With Josh doing it, I have faith. I got faith in him, so he knows exactly what he's doing. Get that back in the car. I need you guys to purchase some merchandise. I do, honestly. Shirt, hat, it'll help, you know, get parts to get this going. Now I got the head bolts, and thank you to those who purchased to help me get this. And now we gotta get the turbo manifold and the intercooler. And I gotta get piping to get the exhaust welded up. Josh is gonna do that also. So, hey, again, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Those of you commenting, hit that like button. I appreciate it so much. And we're at 1,100 subscribers. Let's keep it rolling. Never last year did I think I'll be at this level. I thought it was impossible, but I'm here. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, y'all have a good one.